Hi everyone, it's Christy and Happy New Year. Well, actually, the New Year's not going to start until February 1st, I decided, because January was just a trial run. So, on that note, I made a commitment to myself that I was really going to dive in and do everything that I love and the passion that I have for the things that I love that I want to share with you, which are all around natural living and really holy, holistic wellness from the inside out, meaning our spirit, our soul, our heart, our mind, and our body. I'm very, very revved up and passioned up about sharing more things on natural beauty. And what does natural beauty mean, as well as makeup tips. I'm going to be 50 in March, so I definitely want to put that into play and how we can take care of our bodies and our skin and enjoy our lives. So I want to simplify things. I want to make it more fun. And I just want to put in my Christy Funk dose of love in this as I share it to you. So this video is going to show you a couple of different things that I believe can really help us on our path to making the switch to more natural, making the switch to more mindful choices for our body, for our beauty, and for overall wellness. So one of the things I created on Facebook is a private Facebook group called The Art of Beauty. So please, please, please hop on Facebook and take a look at that group and ask to join because we cover all of this and more. And it's just such a great exploration of beauty, not just certain products or certain companies that I work for, but just the whole scope of what beauty means. So when it doesn't have to be so hard. And that's the thing that I'm here to do is I'm going to make it so easy for you to start switching over and making better choices. I have a program called Hot and Holistic that you can go on my website, christyfunk.com, and take a look at. But for this video, I want to make it short and sweet, is I want to show you, I have nothing on my face and how simple it is. Now with just Pure Essentials, you're looking at a skincare practice that just includes like a cleanse, which I did this morning. And wait, that's the enrich. No, we're going to use the balance, which is our toner. And this is just like a couple drops, and you've got a skin that is going back into its natural state, its natural pH, and inner harmony. So that's the balance. Revive you would use at night because that's a lightener and brightener. And then my favorite, the Enrich, which is a very beautiful facial oil that I'm just putting on like so. You've got an exfoliator mask that you can use in the shower or the bath at any time, 2 to 3 times a week, and like a Protect Balm, which I'm going to put on my lips. Mine is almost out and works as an eye cream. Now, I've done videos on this. I just want to show you how easy it is. And of course, the Just Love, which is our body oil, and this is the Ceylon and cinnamon flavor. That it's a pleasure oil, but it's great for the body, for the hair. You can even use it on the face if you're traveling. Talked a lot about that. Now, for aging skin, for skin that needs a little boost of hydration, I definitely recommend the entire Counter Match line. Now, this is a great makeup primer, plumps up the skin for those of you over 40. You will love this, and it gets the skin all prepped up for makeup. Makeup does not have to be hard at all. It can actually be quite a joy. I'm going to use the retractable brush, and this is from the Flawless Face in 5 Minutes. And I've done several videos on this, but I'm just showing you again how easy it is for us to make switches. And then we're going to go into a few food items. But with this brush, it's like you have your own airbrush. See how it evens out my skin tone, but I still don't look like I'm wearing a ton of makeup. I don't look like I have a mask on, which is ideal because we are all beautiful even without the makeup. And like so, I'm just going to kind of blend it in with my fingers. I'm going to take the Touch Pin Concealer. Oh my gosh, am I out? And that's the reality of makeup, is that eventually it does run out. And there we go. just a little bit underneath. This is where we show the signs of aging when we're tired. I'm actually really tired because I've been up since 3:30 and my eyes red because of that, but here I am having fun with you guys. And so I'm just going to blend a little bit more, and then I'm going to take the brow pencil, and even though my brows are dark, I still have some shaping to do on the out. This is where you start. You do not start in here. You actually start on the outer part of the brow because that's typically where we need to be filled in. If you start in the center, you end up with a really lopsided eyebrow. See, these are the things that you can learn on the Art of Beauty with me. And oh, and then I'm going to do the mascara. So I curled my lashes. You're going to need to buy an eyelash curler separately. What was that? All kinds of weird things. And everyone needs an eyelash curler because this is what makes your eyes really pop and stand out and look wide open, unless you want to have closed, sleepy eyes all the time, which can kind of be sexy too. But we're just going for a wide-eyed, ready to take on the world kind of look. And I'm not using an eyeliner. It's not in the kit. You can always buy an eyeliner. We've got great eyeliners, and I highly recommend the navy. It looks beautiful on everyone. But I'm just showing you how, unless you make a mistake like I just did, and then you can actually take the concealer over that. I'm doing this very quickly so that you don't get scared and think that makeup takes a long time. See, already I'm all bright-eyed and bushy-tailed. I'm using the Tawny, and the Tawny, oh my gosh, where are my glasses? Okay, this is a Tawny and Apricot blush, and you're going to take that darker one and slightly contour, not like the YouTubers, more like you just want to look like you've been sun-kissed. And take this on the lid and then swirl it with the apricot right in the apple. And you've got this really beautiful, like fresh, simple, very natural look. I'm actually going to use the Big Gloss. And there you go. So this is like a 2-minute face if I wasn't talking so much. Another color that I really love is Dahlia. So this one is Dahlia. Can you see that? I don't. Anyways, it's Dahlia and this one's Fig. So there you go. You have, you don't have to do science. You don't have to look at a bunch of YouTube videos with all the carving and the eyelashes and the contouring. Really, really simple. Done. So I'm here as your go-to girl or woman. I'm going to be 50. I should call myself a woman, but sometimes I feel like a girl, which is okay too. But I am here to help you with your skincare. So whether you want the whole line of just Pure Essentials or you want a few key items, I'm here to help you. With Beautycounter, we have this wonderful set, the Flawless in 5, for a really great deal. You're actually saving money on the set. I can help you with that if you want the whole set, or if you just want one thing that actually makes your skin kind of pop and pizzazz and whatnot. Now, the other things that I want to talk about are things like collagen. Like the Dr. Axe multi-collagen is so fantastic, has no flavor. You can put it anywhere. You can sprinkle it on your toast. You can put it in your smoothie. This helps promote healthy skin, hair, and nails. It's great for the gut. It is the building bones it's for your joints and any kind of muscle aches. It has type 1, type 2, type 3, 5, and 10. 5 types of food source collagen. I just probably butchered it up. Anyways, it's really good. So you should use this, invest in this, put it in your smoothies. You'll start to see a difference in your skin, your hair, and your nails. Trust me on that. I also love to talk about bone broths and meat stocks and what I actually put in my refrigerator, which one day I will take you through there and show you what I'm actually feeding my body. I'm going through a very big purification process from mind, body, spirit, soul, and it is pretty fantastic. And so I'm doing a lot of chicken meat stock, not the actual bone broth. And I make it for breakfast with spinach, and I drop an egg in it, and I can share that with you as well. Also the Bubby's Kraut. My son comes home from school and scoops it like ice cream. He loves it. The little one, it's a little bit more of a tough bargain. Great probiotics for your tummy, so good for your digestion. And then beautiful things like avocados, what to do with those, and having an artichoke instead of a bowl of ice cream and scooping it with some great coconut oil with salt. And then, of course, drinking lots of good water and having a cute cup like this that says, raise your vibration with love and gratitude. And that is where I'm at. I have a heart full of love and gratitude. I realize that I was my own trap and repetitive story. As much as I'd done all this outer work, I still wasn't living my joy all the way because there were certain beliefs I had and certain habitual patterns and loops in my brain and a disconnect from my brain and my body. And now I introduced my brain to my body and I said, you two are going to totally get along. This is going to be a lot of fun as we go into the new year because we're not in the new year yet because I have said we are not in the new year yet. And what I says well, it means a lot to me. And if you want to take February 1st as the start of your new year, then fine. So out with the old, get rid of the Jergens and the Macs, and at least start to think about that. And I can help you replace with really good, clean products that actually work. Remember, I've been a makeup artist for 20 years, eco beauty stylist for 14 years. This line is so clean, you can eat it, but you won't want to eat it. You will want to put it on your face because you will see the results. And then stay with me. Go on The Art of Beauty. Stay with me on Facebook and on YouTube, and I promise to show up with more things that will enrich and simplify your life. So I have an actual deal before February 1st. If you purchase any of the kits from Just Pure Essentials, or you get the Fabulous or Flawless and 5 from Beautycounter, or if you purchase at least 2 pieces from my jewelry line, because don't forget, I also design jewelry, intentional healing jewelry, 2 pieces from my line. I will gift you my new course that is all about self-care and self-love to the core that's coming out February 14th, which has a value that's undisclosed yet. But that program will be your gift for this energy exchange. So purchase Just Pure Essentials, Beautycounter, or the jewelry, and I will gift you the self-care program. And with that, I'm going to put the links down below for Just Pure Essentials or Beautycounter because you have to go through me to get the gift that you will be delivered on February 14th. And I promise you it's going to be so dense and rich and so much fun. So thank you for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's really good to see you. And in the comments below, let me know what more you want from me. Do you want me to do more food stuff? Do you want me to focus on women over 40 or 50, makeup tips, self-care, soul stuff, whatever it is, just let me know. I'm back. I'm feeling really good. I'm evolving, and I want to do this with you. Many blessings to you all, and links down down below, and subscribe on my YouTube channel right here. Blah, blah, blah. And I don't know how to edit these videos, so you just get it how it is. Many blessings and almost Happy New Year. Mwah.